If you're here, it means you're looking into AI and the ways in which it can elevate your career, startup, or business. AI software developers is a very different school, but I'm not here to waste your time or try to sell you the school. Instead, I'll tell you what sets us apart from similar groups and the member profile that's most likely to be successful in our school. We go deep covering advanced AI topics such as models, error handling, type safety, fine-tuning, while others barely scratch the surface. We take an end-to-end approach, teaching you how to integrate AI seamlessly into the enterprise systems. But even more than that, we teach you how to think about AI and how it integrates into the larger enterprise system of apps. At the end of the day, AI is not some black magic, it's just software. So we teach you tools, we teach you techniques, current and emerging technologies. Most importantly though, we teach you how AI integrates into your daily workflow. If you're using a particular cloud provider or particular model or a particular domain, we teach you how to integrate it inside that structure. We are tool agnostic, giving you the flexibility to work with any framework, model, or cloud provider. Most importantly, we're backed by a strong and engaged community that supports you along your journey. Why now? Because AI is revolutionizing the world right at this moment. This isn't the future, it's happening as we speak. And the longer you wait, the harder it will be to catch up. Plus, as a founding member, you get to benefit from an exclusive set of perks such as extended project help and private consultations. As we add more exclusive content and new members to the group, the prices will go up. Act today and lock in your spot. What do you get as a member? First of all, you get a rich set of exclusive content that is not available on YouTube or anywhere else. It's only available to school members. You get masterclasses on Pydantic AI, LangGraph, LangChain, small agents, and many other frameworks, as well as general library of content teaching you how to break down complex AI tasks and how to be successful both as an AI engineer, entrepreneur, or a company owner. We have members that have taken these courses, they have sold solutions as consultants, or they have used them in their daily jobs. So content is one of the areas. Secondly, you get an engaged community of members that are here to help each other. We have libraries of links. This first one on the screen shows 120 resources for AI. Other members are posting on a daily basis. It's very lively, it's very engaging. You will very likely find the answer to your next question inside our forums, but if you don't, just post and someone will be sure to help you. Next is our weekly meetings. We have 2 slots, one for North America and the other one's for Asia Pacific. Join whichever time slot works for you. And if none works, then contact me and I'll make a private slot for you. But these weekly meetings are amazing. We collect agenda items prior to the meeting. Some of the topics we discuss are advanced RAG systems with multimodal, fine-tuning of local or cloud models. We discuss systems of thinking of breaking down large enterprise AI systems into smaller chunks, new and emerging technologies, new APIs, and many more topics. So, who should join? We're looking for anyone who is ready to master AI at the enterprise level. You don't have to be technical, but it will help you if you have basic Python or Node.js coding skills. If you don't worry. Most importantly, we're looking for motivated learners. If you're a good learner, if you have the right attitude, this group is for you. Let me also tell you who we're not looking for. If you're here just to grab a source code or a file or a template, there are many other groups with N8N templates and other files and resources. You can just go join one of those groups and experiment with that. We're looking for people who are committed to learn AI and make it part of their workflow for the long term. We're also looking for contributors. Join and become part of this community. If this is you, lock in your spot today. Okay, what do our members say? Here are a couple of testimonials, but I'll just quote one of them. In a single call, I received so much value that it paid itself for a whole year of subscription. This is invaluable for me because we have these one-on-one meetings with members, and some of these meetings are supremely valuable. As you can see in the testimonials, our members receive great value. let's take a look at the content roadmap for the next few months. We're going to finish the Pydantic AI Masterclass with the remaining 5 modules. This will be done by the end of April. In May-June timeframe, we're going to finish our second ongoing masterclass, which is the end-to-end agentic workflows. And for this, we're using Pydantic AI, but we're also demonstrating an end-to-end system from a conception and ideation to design to RAG to database, and finally, perhaps most excitingly, containerization with Docker and Kubernetes and deploying to JKE infrastructure. So it's going to be a super amazing masterclass, and 4 modules are already done and the other ones are in the pipeline. Next, we're going to have a masterclass on RAG. And again, we're going to do a full stack RAG, starting from the design to the agentic implementation, to the vector databases, to the re-ranking and the queries, as well as a UI, and then final deployment again with Docker and Kubernetes. That's going to be another exciting masterclass, and we're aiming to finish that by September. Last but not least is going to be a series of advanced Pydantic AI examples, which we're targeting to finish by the end of December. Pydantic AI is not the only focus of this group. We have other frameworks, and we're also teaching emerging technologies. For example, OpenAI just released a responses API. So we're going to have a series teaching response API. We're also jumping on current topics and allowing our members to stay current and informed every step along the way. Okay, I hope this was a good overview. As one of our members put it, joining was the best decision of my life. Act today and lock in your spot with the current low prices. It will be the best decision for your career, startup, or business. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at the school.